If you're overwhelmed with the vast options of hardside luggage, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Zach from Best Reviews, and we're comparing 3 leading luggage brands to help travelers choose a perfect hardside carry-on for them: Away, July, and Monos. Away succeeds in offering lightweight suitcases that are still reliable in durability, security, and easy navigation. Their simple and stylish luggage comes in a variety of colors and sizes. Away's classic carry-on option is compact, also providing enough space for 3 to 5 days of travel and up to 5 to 7 outfits. But if you're an overpacker like me, you could probably manage up to 10 days of clothes in there. The 360-degree spinner wheels makes it easy to glide through the airport, and the built-in TSA-approved combination lock keeps items secure. The suitcase is lightweight and about 7.5 pounds and just meets the domestic airline carry-on size requirements. It should fit in the overhead bins of most major airlines, and so can Away's bigger carry-on. It's slightly larger by about an inch around. The upgraded carry-on flex and bigger carry-on flex both have expandable zippers for an additional 2 inches. But take note, if you use the flex feature to max capacity, the bag won't fit in most overhead compartments. July claims to have designed its products guided by problem-solving the flaws of other retailers, focusing on features with the consumer in mind and offering impressive warranties. They use aerospace-grade German polycarbonate and outfit their cases a nearly unbreakable, dent-resistant, lightweight material that offers flexibility. Coupled with a durable silent move 360-degree spinner wheels, you can run to your gate without a problem. July's carry-on case meets flying regulations. While its dimensions are slightly smaller than Away's carry-on, it also offers 5 to 7 days of travel capacity and 6 to 8 outfits. The compression straps secure the items and expand the space, and the stain and water-resistant nylon interior includes odor-proof laundry bag to separate worn from fresh clothing. The exterior is reinforced with aluminum bumpers to guarantee protection against the usual drops and bends. If you want something on the lighter side and don't need the built-in power bank, July also offers a carry-on essential model which has the same dimensions and capacity. If you travel with electronics though, you might want to opt in for July's Carry-On Pro. It's the same size as their carry-on but with upgrades including a front pocket for laptops and tablets up to 15 inches. The ejectable battery also comes with a fast-charged USB-C. The July Carry-On Pro snap sleeve gives you the option of a detachable sleeve fit with Fidlock technology. Monos is all about the bells and whistles. Like July, the brand uses aerospace-grade German Macrolon polycarbonate materials for their suitcases. They're specially crafted whisper-quiet 360-degree spinner wheels made to withstand rigorous terrain in transit. Monos also boasts a 4-height telescopic ergonomic handle made from high-grade aluminum with an integrated TSA-approved lock. The inside of their cases are lined with a soft, water-resistant, antimicrobial rPET fabric. Monos' award-winning carry-on meets the common size of most carry-on luggage and will fit in the overhead bins of all major airlines. While it offers less capacity than Away in July, the compression pad and nylon straps help keep items organized, separated, and protected. The upgraded Carry-On Pro is the same size but features a front section for phones, chargers, and any other essentials that you might need to grab during the flight, including enough space to fit a 16-inch laptop. The Monos Carry-On Plus option is bigger and has the capacity for 3 to 7 days and 5 to 10 outfits. However, Monos only claims it will fit most major airlines, so make sure to check with your airline's regulations before packing for your trip. For tips on maximizing your packing efficiency, check out our video on how to pack a carry-on. Whether you're looking for a simple, no-frills design or specific features, Away, July, and Monos have plenty of options. Each offers 4 styles of carry-on luggage and share a lot of the features we look for in top luggage brands. For a weekend getaway or short trip, Away's classic carry-on has the perfect amount of space for multiple outfits and other essentials. Business travelers working on the go will benefit from July's upgraded Pro models that feature easy-to-access sleeves for important electronics. A more spacious option is Monos Carry-On Plus, although you run the risk of it exceeding the overhead bin. Always be sure to check with your airline ahead of time. Once again, I'm Zach from Best Reviews, and if this video helped you make up your mind on which carry-on to get, they're all going to be listed below in the description, and let us know which one you chose. Safe travels!